So this is in the New York Times by Eric Wallerstein, that America's bonds are going to auction and are finding fewer buyers for the 10-year Treasury because we have so much debt. People are worried that interest rates are going to go up and they're going to get stuck with a Treasury bill that isn't paying enough interest. So they're backing away. And in order to get the sale done, in order to finance the government for the trillions of dollars they need to get, they went with shorter term bonds now to solve the problem. Current projections are for America to have a $48 trillion requirement to fund every year as these bonds roll over. 48 trillion is up from, I think it's 4 or 5 times what it is right now. So this is on the way in the next decade, you guys. So I hope you're sitting down, or I hope you've got some way to, deal with what's coming. But what's coming is going to be catastrophic if we don't get our spending under control. You can't just keep spending. They can't just keep printing, because eventually interest rates go out of control. And what that means is that the interest on the debt will eat up all of the tax revenue. And then the only way they have to pay for the functions of the U.S. government will be to print money, which creates more inflation, which creates a higher interest rate, which creates more demand for debt, which creates higher interest rates. And you're in a spiral that ultimately takes down the country.